Hi guys, welcome to Bitcoin Gem channel. I hope you all are doing great. So we are going to look at Veracity today. I'm going to share with you something that is very important, something that is very exciting that I have seen in this chart, and I will share it with you in this video. So I hope you guys have read this disclaimer. Nothing that I am sharing is a financial advice or any kind of technical advice. It is just a speculation. It is my point of view. So please do not make any of your investment decisions based on what I say. So guys, let us go to the charts and let us begin today's video. And it will just take a few seconds of your time, but please subscribe to the channel and immediately like this video. Guys, your like would help me a long way. So we are looking at Veracity chart and I have opened it in two different tabs to show you something that is very exciting. First, we are looking at Veracity chart of 2020. And if we calculate the price correction from its top to its bottom, then it's almost 86.64%. From its top to bottom in 2020, the Veracity price correction was 86.64%. If we calculate the current price correction from its top to bottom, then it was 86.34%, almost identical, right? This was 86.34%. See this very clearly. And this was 86.64%. Now, when we let us calculate the pump from its bottom to its next leg. So similarly, if we calculate bottom to its new all-time high, and let's take this bottom and let's go to its all-time high of 2021, then that was a pump of almost 23,000% from VRA's previous bottom to its April all-time high. It was 23,000%. Now what I want to show you something is very important. This was 23,000%, remember guys. Now if you look at the flippening of Veracity from becoming bearish to bullish, if you look at this, consider this as the recent bottom of Veracity before the pump. This was the bottom, and when it started going up, this was the crossover, where our the green ribbon that you are seeing, the green band is 21 exponential moving average and the red band is 200 exponential moving average. And we are looking at a Veracity daily chart. So when this green crosses the red, that's when things start getting bullish and things start getting crazy. And if you see this entire Veracity pump, the price was always above the green band or always used to come down, retest this green band and go up. See this entire pump. And things started getting bearish when the price started breaking the green band, and after that the price started getting resisted by this green band, and eventually this green did the cross of red and it became bearish, and now we are again on the verge of flipping onto bullish on the daily time frame. This cross is about to happen, so it can happen within any 3-4 days, 5 days, maximum a week. This cross is about to happen. So what we saw before the cross also, again, we saw that since the bottom, Veracity did around 22,000 to 23,000% pump, and the cross is what happened over here. Okay, so if we calculate the same thing now, considering this bottom and considering that very similar to 83%, 86% drop and a new leg up. If we consider that same 23,000% growth, let's see what are we going to get in its new leg up. 23,000% gives us $1.88 veracity, and 22,000% gives us 1.79 to $1.8 veracity. If we do the same kind of pump again, generally the next wave, the wave that is going to happen now, is going to be the biggest wave. You can say we can expect it to even go beyond, but I am saying let's not expect it to go beyond, but at least if we do the similar thing in its next leg up, then also we get around $1.8 of veracity. If we do in fact a lesser pump, let's say instead of 22,000 we did only 16,000% growth in its leg, still we are getting 1.36 to $1.4 veracity in its next leg up. The reason why we do technical analysis is because it is based on a very simple thing that generally history repeats or rhymes, if not repeat identically. And we can say that veracity is doing identical things a lot of times. So this is something which is extremely exciting, extremely important. And that's why I wanted to share with you this amazing fact that I saw on the veracity chart. Again, guys, this is not a financial advice, and this is not something that I want you to take it as a financial advice. This is just something that is exciting and important, and that's why I wanted to share it with you. I hope you guys like this video, guys. I want to show you something equally important. These are my YouTube channel analytics, and you can see that 84% of the audience has not even subscribed. So if you're watching this video, guys, a subscribe will go a long way for me. It will keep me motivating, and I will keep making such content for you. So do subscribe to the channel, do like the video, and yes, follow me on Twitter if you aren't. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you guys like this. Take care. Bye bye.